The Rockford Park District plays an integral role in providing a safe and inclusive setting for youth to learn and grow. In its second year, demand has doubled for equine-assisted services at the Perks Family Equine Center at Lockwood Park. Equine-assisted services include activities utilizing horses where participants learn foundational social and emotional skills to help enhance their well-being and interpersonal relationships, and is funded in part through the Winnebago County Community Mental Health Board. In 2025, renowned author, autism advocate, and animal science professor Dr. Temple Grandin visited Rockford for the first time to share the positive impact horses had on her life.
When I was a bullied, miserable teenager getting in trouble, horses were absolutely saved me. They were the best thing in my life.
Well, I'm really pleased all the work they're doing here with horses. Horses can be extremely good for people that are autistic. I was an autistic teenager, really socially awkward, bullied and teased, and then I got involved with horses. I had friends through riding horses. I learned how to work cleaning 9 stalls, feeding horses every day. I don't know how I could have gotten through my teenage years without horses.
Her name is Kavari. She's always been an animal lover. She would do camps and she took riding lessons for 2 years, but then she actually fell off a horse during a lesson, and then she kind of stayed away from horses for a little bit. And then she got to be one of the first groups to go out and try this program. And I just remember her coming back and she was like, I can't wait till this is open because I want to do this. She was ready to be with horses again, you know? So Kavari does have anxiety, so starting new things or transitions, new experiences, she can sometimes be a little standoffish, but being in this program with a small setting, she really enjoys it and she's able to thrive. She took the first session, she enjoyed it so much, she was like, I better sign her up again so she can continue to keep going. And she's able to again, build those relationships with participants, because some of those participants were in the first session, so they're able to grow together as a group. I would recommend, I think it's a great experience for the participants because they're able to gain knowledge and experience that again translates not just here at this program, but something they can take through life and help them realize that, everyday things that may happen in their life, they can get through it. She enjoys the program so much she can't wait to work at Lockwood. That's her next goal, is to be able to be old enough to work there and volunteer. That's how much being in this program has really impacted her.
Today at Lockwood Park, we offered an event called Stronger Together, and it was specifically for first responders and their families to come out with their families and spend some time with our horses through our equine assisted learning programs and learn about connection and communication, and to help provide our first responders with the support they need.
A lot of times there is this aspect with first responders of being exposed to critical incidences. There's a trauma, and so they bring that stuff home. By taking them out of their comfort zone, it gives them an opportunity to exercise being vulnerable and having the courage to be able to together go through those experiences. And really the goal is to be able to take that experience and then give them a pathway, an opening to be able to do that at home.
In the fire service, you have to be able to get yourself into a certain headspace in order to do a lot of the stuff that is required of you. We are very used to shutting down our own emotions in order to get that job done. And in the grooming bay, you have to be very cognizant of your own emotions and your own body language getting in there, but you also have to be aware of the horse and their body language and really paying attention to their needs. It allows you to kind of step out of your own head, and you realize that your emotional state starts to mirror theirs, and a lot of it is it's very calming and rhythmic. In the round pen, a lot of that activity has to do with how you're communicating with the animal and also the level of trust. Part of it is turning your back on a horse that you don't know. The activity mandating that you have to, be self-aware and know what's going on with you, and to be able to communicate with the horse without carrying over any turmoil or anxiety that you're carrying, just letting that go, being present, and opening up that communication and expectations with an animal you've spent 5 minutes with. It's definitely easier to convince me that I have to do this for safety than if you said, you know, you have to sit down and pour your heart out to a therapist. It was definitely more revelatory than I had expected. I'm very glad that there's a program like this.
The event today went really well. We think it was a great success, and we saw a lot of smiling faces and a lot of connections were made, and you could tell that the horse-human connections that were made with the participants today were really powerful. The Stronger Together partners for today's event were Four Corners Counseling and the Lynn Mark Foundation, as well as the Rockford Park District.